Kenjan, there is a question in the chat. It says, do you also work with people with psychosis?
As long as we can communicate with the people, we can help them. Doesn't matter in which way, in the psychosis and so. When we can communicate with the people, we can help them. If we cannot communicate, of course, we cannot help them. We work with the people's awareness. If awareness is not there, we cannot help them. But if they are present and we can communicate with them, of course, we can help them, yes.